Hi there, in this video we'll walk you through how to install your Mount Brook locking medicine cabinet, step by step. Let's start by getting the tools ready. Here's what you'll need: a pencil, a level, a screwdriver, a hammer, the included self-tapping wall anchors and screws, and, don't forget, a helper. It's not just easier with two, it's safer too. Ready? Let's jump into step 1. Hold the cabinet against the wall where you want to mount it. Ideally, the center should line up with the main user's eye level. Also, be sure there's enough space around the cabinet so the door can open fully without bumping into walls or nearby fixtures. Next, take your level and place it along the top edge of the cabinet to make sure it's straight. Once everything looks good, use a pencil to mark the mounting points through the holes on the back. Moving on to step 2, install the wall anchors. At each marked point, place a self-tapping wall anchor. Use a hammer to gently tap it into the wall to get it started, just enough so it holds in place. Then screw it in until it sits flush with the wall surface. Now we're ready for the final step, mounting the cabinet. Carefully lift the cabinet and align the holes on the back with the wall anchors. Insert the screws through the cabinet holes and into the anchors. Tighten them until the cabinet feels secure, but don't over-tighten. And that's it. Your Mount Brook locking medicine cabinet is now installed. Now that your cabinet is up, go ahead, start organizing.